We're going to determine the values of x and y if we have this equation right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to rewrite my exponent. What I usually do, I'm going to just rewrite my exponent as 3 to the y multiplied by 3 to the first power. And then I'm looking at 32 and I see that I can rewrite 32 as 2 to the exponent 5. Now looking at the square root of 96. Now, how can I rewrite the square root of 96? So what I've basically done here is just break down my 96. So I have 2 to the exponent 5 because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiplied by 3. Right, so I'm just going to rewrite that as 2 to the exponent 5 multiplied by 3. And remember to put the parentheses. All of that is raised to the exponent x. So now focusing on the right hand side again, what I can do, I can distribute the x into the 5 and to the part of the 3. So I can rewrite this as 2 to the exponent 5x times 3 to the exponent x. Right. And then in addition to that, you will remember I can use the laws of surds and break this up to 2 to the exponent 5x times the square root of 3 to the exponent x. I can separate that. And remember on the left hand side we still have this thing right here. So now looking at the right hand side again, I can now remove the square root by saying that it's 2 exponent 5x over 2 times 3 exponent x over 2. So now on the left hand side, this is what I still have. So now at this point I realize I have base 2. I also have base 2 here. And then I also realize that I have bases 3 and bases 3 over here as well. So at this point I'm going to reverse back to the 3y plus 1, and then what I'm going to do is that I have 2 to the exponent 5. I want to bring this to my numerator, so I'm going to write it as 2 to the exponent minus 5, right? And then which is equal to 2 exponent 5x over 2 times 3 exponent x over 2. And then what I can do from here, I can equate the 3, the ones with the 3's, and then I can also equate the ones with the 2's. So now I can say that 2 to the negative 5 is equal to 2 to the 5x over 2, and then I can say 3 to the y plus 1 is equal to 3 to the x over 2. Now right here we have two unknowns. We can't really do much with this. So let's start on this side and solve for x. So now I have the same bases, therefore I can just equate my exponents. And then I can solve for x, so I can cross multiply, get minus 10 is equal to 5x. And divide by 5 on both sides, I get x is equal to negative 2. And then I can go on this side right here and substitute in the x. So I get 3 to the minus 2 over 2, and that would give me 3 to the exponent negative 1. Now we have the same basis. I can therefore equate my exponents. Solving for y, I get that y is equal to minus 2. So this is my solution.